Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Nongïalam rangba kasing Congress haka sautoy urumpang kila Ujor Pyrshah ka Chairperson Jong State Women's Commission ka kong Pidalia toy halo ka jinga shimenta jongka haka jinga palpa palapin long da kasing National People's Party NPP hajawai ka badi ka jinga lang jong ba wailat miki shala kila kam ka kong toy kala pedon kamba klai ka office da ka jinga shimenta haka jinga palpa jong kasing NPP ba kila ongru badi banweng no ya ka kong toy na ka office ba ban pindu no ya ka jinong katong jong ba wailat miki shala
Namanta Chairperson ng Women's Commission by Don Banta hakajing file nomination jong iwi candidate jong ka party NPP ha West Giant Hills iba Wailat Miki Shila tingiwan Ujor kataki ani ba kidi ban iwen no yaka post naka-post jong Chairperson but are you like for him to be disqualified?
We want
yeah.
the candidate to be disqualified,
Yeah.
as well as the Women Commission to be removed because she has violated the Model Code of Conduct and she has also violated the Indian Member Citizen Act. So it is, we have come, our senior MP, Mr.
It is a
here.
clear violation of our election rule and election procedure. So it is not only the chairperson, the candidate is also more responsible for that. So our demand, our submission is disqualify the candidate as well as take disciplinary action against the concerned chairperson. That's our demand.
Yes. We have also brought a second factor into the notice of the Chief Electoral Officer. All over this Shillong city, the posters of the Prime Minister and the Home Minister are displayed on the government buildings and on the government poles, electrical poles. So we requested them to take action to remove those posters immediately because it violates the Model Code of Conduct.
And what was the assurance from the CEO?
They said 100% they will verify and take
Investigating the
action.
matter and they will take cognizance.
Yeah.
They have taken cognizance of the event and they will take
Look into
action
the
on that.
matter. Yeah.
Always we hope because the election commission will act according to the law and the election rules. We hope the election commission will take necessary action and immediate action against these violations.
That's right.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkela Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkela